What does it mean to be sustainable? From the air we breathe to the water we drink, we rely on nature to provide us all these things and more. But a growing loss of this very nature puts us all under threat. Insignificant as it may seem, even simple acts like replacing plastic bags with cloth bags or even printing on both sides of a paper could contribute significantly towards a sustainable planet. This Earth Hour, Nepal went beyond the hour by organizing the nation's biggest sustainable lifestyles fair, calling on young and old alike to be gentler on our planet. With over 4,000 people participating in the event and a reach of 2.5 million on digital media, the event was a resounding success. Featuring over 20 local social enterprises, participants of the fair had the opportunity to explore alternative and sustainable lifestyle choices, ranging from recycled and upcycled products to rainwater harvesting and waste management. From fresh and organic food options to live acoustic and open mic performances, it was indeed a perfect, sustainable Saturday. Simple steps taken today could have an exponential impact on our planet tomorrow. Act now. Choose better, because nature matters, for the benefit of ourselves and future generations. It's time we connect to Earth.
Connect to Earth.
Connect to Earth.
Connect to Earth.
Connect to Earth.